Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Tuesday through Thursday, July 5 to 7, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. It is only today that we issued this weather analysis, since yesterday we were quite busy, and here it goes. The latest GovSat for today, which we issued last night, valid until today, and we expect more local thunderstorms to occur across various sections of the country, particularly over Luzon and the Visayas, including Mindanao. Right now, we don't have any major weather system affecting the Philippine Islands within the next 24 hours. The remnants of Tropical Depression Chaba is now over the central portions of southern China, moving overland and expected to dissipate further. And once Tropical Storm Ere, with local name Domeng, is now overland in the vicinity of Kyushu, Japan. It's currently right here, and it's still a tropical depression, but within the next 2 to 3 days it will dissipate into an area of low pressure. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA. We have here a surface trough moving across Palau and Yap, and the intertropical convergence zone across central and eastern Micronesia, including the Marshall Islands. Now, if we take a look at the fast animation as of this time, we have another surface trough developing here just to the north of the Bicol region, but it will only bring some showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon and evening across Luzon, also here over the Bicol region. And the surface trough over Palau is now within the Philippine area of responsibility, the vicinity of the East Philippine Sea, but it is expected to remain as a trough throughout its existence, and it is expected to move closer to the Philippine Islands within the next 2 to 3 days. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation as of this time, beginning at 7 a.m. until 12 noon, lots of thunderstorms can be observed across Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, later on over Mindanao, and we have here moving into the northern Quezon area, Polillo, and also over central Luzon, Aurora province, and some portions of the Bicol region. But later this afternoon, more thunderstorms will be expected across various sections of the country. If we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Friday, tomorrow morning, Wednesday, we expect some isolated showers over the Bicol region, Visayas, Mimaropa, but the rest of Luzon and Mindanao will all be clear. But tomorrow afternoon, we expect the usual thunderstorms in wide swath of Luzon, eastern Visayas, and Mindanao, including Bicol. And on Thursday morning, we again expect some good weather across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, with some thunderstorms over the Sulu Archipelago. But in the afternoon of Thursday, we expect more thunderstorms to occur in various sections of the country. On Friday morning, again, good weather all throughout the country except for some inland water areas of Visayas. And on Friday afternoon, we expect again severe thunderstorms to occur across Luzon, including Bicol region, Metro Manila, central and western Visayas, as well as central Mindanao. So there you go. So we expect this afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms to occur for the next 3 days until Friday. Since we are still on the rainy season, so without any tropical development or Southwest Monsoon, right now it's on a break, so I expect these local thunderstorms to occur during this time of the wet season. And also, since we are still on a La Nina year, so we expect more rainfall to occur over our country. And here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. So a wide swath of the country will be expecting more thunderstorms through Friday. And if we take a look at the wind forecast until Friday, tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon, we expect some variable winds across the country, with the surface trough moving closer towards the Bicol region. And on Thursday afternoon, same situation. Some variable winds will be expected across the country, with the surface trough moving over central portions of Luzon. And on Friday afternoon, some light westerly winds over the Visayas and easterly winds over the extreme northern parts of Luzon, while calm to variable winds will be expected over various sections of Luzon and eastern Visayas as well as Mindanao. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday, and we will return on Thursday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv or YouTube.com/MrTyphoon to keep you updated, and click on the notification bell. And don't forget to always like every video that we publish. Again, see you again on Thursday. Have a great day to all.